Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2023 XC40 Recharge in crystal white metallic with the coolest charcoal interior I have seen on a Volvo XC40. This gets 402 horsepower on a full charge. You can go around 200 miles. It has the Thor's Hammer active bending headlights, the black roof, which is super cool. I love those wheels, roof rails up top, keyless entry, blind spot information system. There is not a sunroof in this one. That's an extra thing, so there's no sunroof, but check out these seats. You have the open grid textile on the sides, like the R designs, but I've never seen it on a 40 like that. And this is like this sort of neoprene, it feels like a wetsuit kind of material, so that's amazing. The leg extension piece, the manual seat adjustment, the Android based infotainment system. You can see this is the core, so there's nothing additional over here, and the only upcharges are the metallic paint and destination charge. And this is one of the monthly lease specials. Come check it out. We're on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon from Portland Volvo.